Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix errors on SpotHero. So if the app keeps showing error messages, won't load, or isn't working properly, then just follow along. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, completely close the SpotHero app and reopen it. For that, you need to swipe up from the bottom of your screen, remove the SpotHero app from recently used apps, and then try opening the app again. And if the problem still continues, visit the App Store and check if there's an update available. Installing the latest version often fixes common bugs and performance issues. You should also try restarting your phone and then try using the app again. And if you're having trouble signing in, double check your login information or reset your password if needed. And if none of these steps solve the problem, then you can try contacting the SpotHero support through the help section of the app and include any error message if you're seeing. So that was how to fix errors on SpotHero. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.